this homestead. Todd, you're not going to. But I got to show it to you in live action. What are you guys doing? What are you doing? You cleaning, boo-boo. You clean him. You clean them feathers. Look at this, Todd. I mean, that is... I don't know why we didn't think of it before, but look at these guys. And all your bird wants to do is preen Boo-Boo's feathers. But either way, they're having a great time. Yeah, see? Oh, look at that. Preening the other bird, Todd. Look at that. Oh, look. That's what I'm talking. Oh, look at that. That is some excellent photography. Oh, look at that. Look at that. That is just... These two get along so well. It's unbelievable. Look at this. Unbelievable. And we kept them apart for so long. Look at that. Yeah. Aww. That is the cutest thing I've ever seen in my life. Look at that. Knows exactly how to preen the feathers without hurting the other bird. That is just priceless. Ooh. What do you want, Hitch? Look at that. There you have it, Todd. We got two birds that love each other. And then there's Autumn. What are we going to do about you, Autumn? Autumn, what are you doing? Now, here's what I think to do about this dog. He's a big dog. You know, I'm just holding him by one paw. Come here. Up. Look at that dog. Now, it's unbelievable. The dog, the birds, the dog, and then there's the birds. It's just remarkable. I don't know what to do. Oh boy, we got a show going on here. Well, there you have it, Todd. Just wanted you to know about it. Birds have got along better than we ever thought about. And there you have it. So, we got this big baby right here that's going to go back in her cage right now. She's such a bird that just loves to know about it. And this is a big baby, too. And I just don't... Is it a boo-boo? No, it's a boo-boosh. In the boo-boosh. In the boo-boosh. And there you have it, Todd. So, what more can I tell you? Alright, baby, back in your cage. Good bird. Now we go back into... What are you doing? Keep going. That's the play ball. And we got Boo-Boo here. Come here, baby. Oh, he's a big baby flying over dinner. Oh, yeah, it's a good bird. And then there's Autumn. Autumn, what are you doing? Oh, Boo-Boo's flying. Come here. Come here. No, there's no running away. Because I'll find you. Silly bird. There we go. Okay, yeah, happy birds. And we got Mr. W right there. He's kicking it. He's happy too. And then there's Otter. Big baby too. What are you doing? Get out of there. There you have it. And we'll talk with you later.